Ahorita, I kind of want to talk a little bit about who I am and obviously the impact that Adelante has had on my life. First off, my name is Sofia. I am a daughter of immigrants. I'm also a wife and a mama. I'm also an activist, and I feel like Adelante had a very, very large part in it just because it helped me find my voice and it helped me learn that there was a lot more to me. I know growing up, a lot of women that were in my life were either stay-at-home moms or they worked uh, because they needed money. It was on a need basis. It wasn't really on a like find something you love and do it for the rest of your life basis. It was more because they needed that additional income. So Adelante introduced me to hundreds of professional Latinas that were doing something that they loved, that used their voice and put it out there and try to give back to the community. So I knew that that was something that I wanted to do with my life and that I wanted to partake in. And it helped me get here. So, all right. So this is Adelante in high school. This is Sonia Melendez. She was the advisor. I went to Baldwin Park High School in Baldwin Park. I was an active Adelante member for all 4 years. And then my senior year, I was the president of Adelante. So her and I worked very, very closely throughout practically my entire high school career. You can see Stella Murga down here. Hey, Stella. You know, I've been in Adelante for quite some time. This is me at the conference in 2013. I was a baby, as you can see, pre-braces. So then right after I graduated high school in 2015, I began presenting. So I presented at the 2016 conference. I spoke about the transition between college or high school to college and, you know, kind of talked about the scary parts of it, financial aid and who to go to when you need certain things, all that fun stuff. And I've slowly progressed into speaking more about career-based presentations. Here I was the keynote speaker at the 2018 Adelante Mujer Latina banquet at Baldwin Park High School. And then this was last year. I was very, very pregnant last year at the presentation. I don't know how I did it, but that was not just extra tacos. That's actually a human growing in there. I have not let almost anything stop me. So I wanted my son to know that his mom likes to talk. And there, you know, he needs to know what he's getting himself into pretty much. I attended Cal State San Bernardino. I graduated with a bachelor's in sociology, and then I have a certificate in gender studies. It was a tough ride, but it was something that I myself always saw myself doing. Like I knew that nothing was gonna get in the way of me getting my degree. That's all I could say. Sí se pudo.